Good morning, dear student. In the previous classes, we studied about the capital goods, consumer goods, and intermediate goods. Today, we will continue the topic and will study about the type of industry. Here, we make a table in which you are seeing that primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. So first of all, we want to know that what are the primary industries. Actually, primary industries are those industries which are the natural resources are used to provide raw material to the industries. The primary industries are of two type. First one is genetic, second one is extractive. So genetic industry means those industries under which the breed of animal and vegetables are improved and made more useful, like animal husbandry, poultry, tree planting, etc. There are three type of genetic industry. Extractive industry means those industries which is extracted out from the earth. For example, mining, agriculture, etc. It's mean that those industries under which something is extracted out from the earth, water or air. Now come to the second point, that's or second type, secondary industries. It's referred to that industries which use the raw material produced by the primary industries and convert them into the finished product. For example, producing cotton is primary industries and manufacturing cloth from the cotton is a second industries. So further, secondary industries is classified into two categories: manufacturing and constructive. Manufacturing industry means those industries where raw material and semi finished material are used with the help of resources and make them a finished good. For example, cloth from cotton, paper from bamboo tree, etc. Further, manufacturing is categorized into four parts like analytical. analytic. Under this, many things are manufactured from one thing. For example, petrol, diesel, these are produced from the crude oil. It means that many items are produced from one single item is called analytic. Example, crude oil. Second point is processing industries. Processing industries include those industries where things are manufactured by making the raw material and passes through different production process. For example, sugarcane is converted into a sugar. Gypsum is converted into a cement, etc. Now come to the next point, synthetic. Synthetic. Under this industry, many raw material are mixed to produce a more useful product. For example, cement, which is manufactured by gypsum, limestone, and coal. Now come to the next point, assembling. In this category, products are manufactured by assembling and make a new product and useful product. For example, cycle. Cycle are cycle is made up of steel, iron, and rubber. For example, computer is made up of steel, iron, rubber, wire, plastic, etc. Now come to the second part of the secondary industry. They are constructive industries. Under these industries, constructive work are done by using the things which are produced by other industries. For example, pre- construct a building. A, a building is made up of by iron, cement, bricks, etc. And all these things, cement, steel, are made in other industries. So these industries produce things which are of permanent nature and which are most for public welfare. Now come to the next type of industry, that is tertiary industries. It's simply meaning that these industries which provide services, for example, transport, banking, insurance, advertising, and warehousing. They provide services to the first, primary, and secondary industries, because without the help of tertiary industries, primary industries and secondary industry wouldn't function. So we call tertiary industry as a service industry. So, dear students, today you studied about the type of industries, and hope so you people will understand. But in case if you having any problem, you can call me at my personal number or WhatsApp number. Thank you, students.